viewers! Today I have come here to prepare a delicious soup using black rice. Black rice, otherwise known as forbidden rice, because way back when this was cultivated, it was only for emperors, and the common people like you and I could not eat it. However, with its rising popularity, black rice is now grown everywhere and you can find it easily. Black rice is superior to other types of rice due to its rich health benefits and powerful medicinal properties. I ordered my bag of black rice from the website of an organization called letslive and got it delivered to my doorstep. Even if you want to order it, you can follow the link in the description box. Black rice has a deep black color and usually turns deep purple when cooked. Its dark purple color is primarily due to its anthocyanin content. Aren't we lucky to be born in the 21st century, viewers? Common people also can buy black rice. Every grain of the superfood is precious. Let's see how we can add this black rice into our diet in a delicious way. Black rice is naturally gluten-free and can be a good option for those with gluten sensitivity. Black rice and other anthocyanin containing foods may help reduce blood sugar levels in those with type 2 diabetes. It's great for skin and hair due to its vitamin E content. Pre-soaking black rice not only reduces the cooking time but also makes it easier to digest. The soaking water will turn deep purple. You can discard the water or you can cook the black rice with the same water. This will turn into a natural food color. If you are a vegan, you can avoid butter and add any cooking oil of your choice. In case you are using oil, you can add 2 to 3 tablespoons of cooking oil. Black rice is a dense and chewy variety of rice. Once cooked, it has a nutty and earthy flavor. When boiled, its color changes to deep purple. It has a slightly sweet taste. In one word, it is delicious. This soup is packed with nutrition. It is a wholesome meal. This black rice soup is healthy. It will make you feel full. This soup is satisfying, it's flavorful, it's comforting, it's wonderful to share, it's delicious. This forbidden rice soup may make common people like us feel like an emperor.